Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable notifications in the Flighty application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the settings button at the top of the page on the right. And as you can see, at the notification settings section, there are three different topics that you can choose to receive notifications on. So for example, if you want to get notified before arrival, or baggage claim, then just click on the arrival information button. And you can also receive notification on flight path, so just click on the white circle next to them, and once they turn blue, the notifications are on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.